Oh, so hey guys, I'm going to be doing a Wii Fit video today. We're going to be doing the draft and maybe a pack opening at the end and see who we get, because some of the packs on this are mad. So let's enable legends, definitely. I'm going to go for the 4-3-3-4. Okay, we want some team of the seasons. Oh, when we get 2 team of the seasons. I'm not. Oh god, I want to go for them, but we're just not gonna get any chemistry because it's not. It just won't be. Like, just look at the leagues. Like, who's ever heard of them? Right, literally no one, apart from people that live in the Netherlands and people that live in Portugal. Right. Oh, for God's sake. De Bruyne, but I will just get all the Liga BBVA players and it will just be annoying and I'll get no chemistry whatsoever. Oh, jeez, that was rubbish. Let's go for Richards. He's the only one that links. Wait, no, what? I've pressed on some player, for God's sake. Come on, load. Thank you. Oh, we get Thiago Silva. Get in. But, oh, no. I need to take Jones, but I want to take Thiago Silva. Oh, who cares? I'm taking Jones. Oh, okay, right. I can't believe I just turned down Jones over Silva. So stupid. Well, at least I get chemistry. Right. Okay. Wow. Yes, we get orange hearts. Get him, boys. Come on. Wait, sorry, guys. There. Sorry, something messed up with the audio there. Centre mid. Oh, we get 94 Ozil. Oh my god. He's one of the best team of the season BPL players. Oh, it's just the best. Right, so oh god, Cam, and we get. Okay, come on, load. Thank you. Wow, we get all the good players, and then we get absolute dog crap. Cam, just go for. He doesn't link to anyone, does he? So, like, Ben Arthur. Go for Ben Arthur then. Don't care. Left wing, we're gonna go for Cristiano, but he doesn't link. I'm going for Sterling. Sorry, guys. Sorry. No, it's the worst decision. We got Pele. Oh, we've got Pele, boys. Yes. Pele, in you get. Get in. Right wing. Oh, Mahrez. Definitely. Right. Left back. So really, all we need is a centre mid. Like a BPL centre mid. Let's go for Demba Ba. No. Did I just press column? Wait, what? No! Wait, can I redo it? No! Wait, am I allowed to go back? Wait. No! I can't, no! No! Oh no! That has ruined it! Okay. Oh, we get a team of the season. We get a team of the season. Do I go for him? I'll go for him, but I'm not gonna use him. Reserve. Wait. Wait. What? Oh, we still got a right back to choose. Come on, this could help us. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Why are they so bad? Like, our team, like, if you look at it, it's pretty decent. Like, we've got man of the match, Hart, team of the season, bloody Ozil, hero card Mahrez, legend Pele. And then we got a team of the season on the bench as well. So, jeez, right. We just need a left back and a cam, like both BPL, and then we're sorted. Oh, jeez! Look at that. Okay, right. Well, that's happened. Okay, let's go for Suarez. I don't care. Right. Next reserve. Nope, yet. I knew the silvers were coming. Let's go for him. Yago, I think that is. Ooh, Yado. No, we're getting a load of centre backs, but we need a right back. Oh no, we've got Matic. Yes, he's helped us. Yes, right. Put him there, please, please, please. Come on, hurry up. Oh my god, it's so laggy. No, that's so wrong. And Matic over there. Yes, boys. Wait, why have we only got... Oh yeah, because of Alaba. Right, come on. Next reserve, come on. BPL left back, come on, come on, come on. No! Right, let's go for Pantilimon. Okay, come on, hurry up. Sub, come on, come on. No, he's a right back. For God's sake. No. We need... Come on. No. No, 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 no. Cosworth. Come on. Right, no. Wait. I keep on getting sent BBL centre backs when I need flipping BBL left backs. For God's sake. Go for you when you read them. Next sub. Oh, that's annoying. No, he's a left mid. But okay, right, come on. I need these last two subs to be the best. Come on. Left back. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Please, 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 please. What? What? No. No, come on. Wait, last one. Okay. Come on. I'm praying. No. No. You gotta be kidding me. No. That is so freaking annoying. Who could we play it? Oh no, we'll get 90. I think we'll get 99k if we put him there. Wait, no, because he... Come on. Wait. No, wait, this, no. Right, Alaba. Yes. Come on, he should be 100. 19 Why? Wait, come on. Is there nothing? No! God's sake! And it was 86 rated. Right, let's just see the rating that we get. Like, no! I am so annoyed. See the rating if we put it on there, and then 90. Next would be. Oh wait, no. Muller, Courtois, Aubameyang, Alaba, and that's it. No! Oh, jeez. Okay. That. Wait. Wait. Yes! Yes! 187 rated. That is not too bad. Oh, yes! 5-star rated. Oh, jeez. No, let's just go through the players, okay? So we've got Pele. Hero card, Mahrez. In form, 87 De Bruyne. 94 rated, Özil. 85 man of the match, Hart. Then we have on the bench, Suarez, Ronaldo, Muller. A team of the season, Aubameyang. Like, seriously, this is so freaking annoying. Like, how? And we've got, like, people, like, and we've got, like, a green Coleman. This is ridiculous. I'm just going to take a screenshot because, like, that's a really good draft. How we don't get, like, an 88 or an 89 is out of this world. I don't know. But, like, I suppose we'll just have to go on some packs and get on with it, I suppose. Like, how is that not above 87? Because that is just stupid. Right, 12 all rare gold packs. Who are we going to get in the first pack? Absolutely nothing. Oh, what is it with FIFA? Isco, Lewandowski. Oh, that is a sick pack. In for Ronaldo. Orange Ajuras. 88 Lewandowski. And 85 Inform Isco. What a sick pack. I'm taking a screenshot of that. I've got to. Right. Come on. Should we not open another one? Another one. Come on, let's do the dab pack. Dab. Oh, we get Dele Alli and 2 team of the seasons. Oh! And James Rodriguez. I have no idea who the team of the seasons are. But purple Dele Alli. Man, right. The dab pack seemed to work, so I'm going to do it again. Dab. Come on. No, we got diabetes. Griezmann. Mascherano, team of the season. How high rate? He's 89 rated. How much does he go for? Like, seriously. Oh. Jeez. That's a great pack. How much does he go for? Like, I'm going to have to check later on, but that's mad. Wait, let me just check on my computer. So, Mascherano, FIFA, plus range, and oh, okay. Oh, it goes for quite a bit then. Oh, we get Inler. Oh, I've just looked over and we got Inler. Mad. He's sick. Like, he's like mad in Spencer FC's series that he's now doing with his brothers. Oh, we get Shearer. Get in. And deal with us. Modric. Oh my God. Dab. 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 And Jamie Vardy. And Riyad Mahrez. Jeez. That's got to be like best pack ever. Oh God, okay. Oh man. Rufia, no. I've got a feeling this pack's gonna be rubbish. Yep. Next pack. Oh, that pack was rubbish. David Silva. Oh, what a pack! We get informed Neymar. Look, just look at that, guys. That last row, just there. Neymar, Adjurez, Kante. Oh, yes, boys. Oh, jeez, I'm going to have to take my jumper. Oh, I'm boiling. Oh, these pads are making me sweaty. Inform Payet. Oh, jeez. So we get Inform Payet, Rickle Breaker Check, and a team of the season. Not bad. And Inform Quadrado. It's not bad. Okay. Oh, we get a team of the season. No, team of the year, Ramos, and another team of the season. And we got James Rodriguez and Balassi. Oh, okay. So next pack. The next pack is going to be our last pack, and then it's the end of the video. Come on. Right, I'm going to go in downstairs and see who we get. Okay, guys, I'm back. And who do we get? Team in the season. Oh, we got 2 legends. Oh, yeah. So we get Maldini, and I can't remember his name. What's his name? Zanetti. Oh, jeez. Okay, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and see ya.